Hello there. Let's have a quick technical analysis on BTCUSD. This is the weekly chart, as you can see here. If we use Elliott wave theory to do analysis, this is the downtrend, and you could see that easily. This is 5 waves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. And then A, B, C rebound. This is perfect if you use Elliott wave theory to do your analysis. And now what? Now we have to measure this downtrend from 31,800 something. Will this downtrend continue, or will it be blocked by this 200 average line? But by just looking at the weekly chart, you don't know that much in the weekly chart. You have to go deep down to the day chart, so you have to zoom in. So in the day chart, this is day chart. You can see here. In the day chart, interestingly, if you use Adams wave theory, also 3 waves here. You see here, 3 waves. Or you can see it, consider it as ABC. And if you want to jump in, you have to know, will this C wave or third wave, will this one will continue or not? Same as we just did the analysis on the weekly chart. By using the Elliott wave theory, by using the Fibonacci extension tool, as you can see that, why they just stopped here? Because at this level, it's the same ratio as the first wave and third wave. Down here is the same ratio. But going a little bit deeper, if it's going a little bit deeper, that means the third wave has a little bit bigger space or deeper depth than the first wave. That means the downtrend for the third wave is not stopped or it's not finished. So as long as it's below this level, as long as it's below this level, do not long it. Do not long it. Because this could be 1, 2, 3 waves. There will be probably a 4th rebound wave, and then there will be a 5 waves waiting for that. So I suggest if you want to jump in, then waiting for the 5th wave to be finished. Then that's a good chance the downtrend from the top here will be finished around here. So that's why rebound, do not participate, but waiting for the rebound. But if you can short it, that's probably good if you can short it. All right, that's all.